over the last 2 weeks we've been involved in mission readiness exercise, which is preparing our troops for deployment to South Lebanon to take over from our colleagues in 124 Battalion. We've been conducting tactical and peace support operations training here. We've looked at what's happening out there at the moment. We've got information from our colleagues out there, and we've done a normal preparation as we would do for every overseas mission.
I'm Brianne Dever, my rank is private.
And who are these two chaps with you?
My right is Sean, my eldest brother, and then on my left is Deb.
And whereabouts are you from, lads?
We're from County Donegal in a town called Imaal.
I think for the first time, it's obviously nice to have them there, like the way it is out there doing mine, so it's a privilege as well to have them. I know they're going to be looking out for me. I say they'll give the parents peace of mind as well, so looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. You know, we've done a lot of training this last number of months. The team is starting to gel together. The people that are there, they're very skilled at their job. We've spent a lot of time and effort trying to figure out each other. It's obviously with everything that's going on at the moment in Lebanon, it's obviously going to be a challenge for quite some people because this hasn't been that environment over there for a number of years. But we've got a good blend of people that have been there before. This is somewhat reminiscent of what would have been happening before 2000. We have quite a few people that have been on earlier trips, and I believe they're the sort of people that will be able to help keep the team and keep the unit together.